Divergence and curl. Consider a vector valued function v of xyz equal to v1i plus v2j plus v3k, where v1, v2, v3 are the three components of the vector v. Then divergence of a vector v is defined by divergence v equal to dou by dou x into v1 plus dou by dou y into v2 plus dou by dou z into v3, which is equal to del dot v, that is differentiating partially first component with respect to x plus differentiating the second component partially with respect to y plus differentiating the third component partially with respect to z is the divergence v. Next, Laplacian of f is divergent of gradient f, that is equal to del dot del f, that is del square f equal to dou square by dou x square f plus dou square by dou y square f plus dou square by dou z square f. Next is curl of a vector function. It is defined by del cross v, which is equal to determinant I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z v1 v2 v3. Question. Calculate divergence v. First question, v equal to x square yi plus 2y cube zj plus 3zk. Then divergent v is defined by first differentiating first component with respect to x plus differentiating second component with respect to y plus differentiating third component partially with respect to z. Then we get differentiating this component gives 2x. Here y is a constant. Here differentiating partially with respect to y gives 6y square into z is a constant plus 3 into derivative of z is 1. Next question, v equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Here divergence v equal to differentiating x partially with respect to x gives 1, differentiating y with respect to y gives 1, differentiating z partially with respect to z gives 1 equal to 3. Next question, v equal to xyz into xi plus yj plus zk. First we open the brackets, that is here first component is x square yz I, then second component x y square z plus third component x y z square k. Then divergence v equal to partially differentiating this term with respect to x gives 2xyz, then this is equal to 2xyz, also this is equal to 2xyz, it's equal to 6xyz. Next question, v equal to e raised to x cos yi plus e raised to x sin yi. Divergence v equal to differentiating this component with respect to x partially, that is e raised to x into cos y. Here cos y is constant, cos y plus differentiating this component with partially with respect to y gives e raised to x is a constant, derivative of sin y is cos y, then e raised to x cos y plus e raised to x cos y equal to 2 e raised to x cos y. Next question, calculate kernel v. First question, v equal to xi plus yj plus zk. We know that kernel v equal to determinant I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z v1 v2 v3. Here v1 is x, v2 is y and v3 is z. Then I j k equal to dou by dou x dou by dou y and dou by dou z x y z. Then determinant, we can calculate the determinant, that is I into dou by dou y of z, that is partial derivative of z with respect to y. Here z is independent of y, so partial derivative of z with respect to y is 0. That is here z taken as a constant. Then minus dou by dou z into y, that is partial derivative of y with respect to z. Here also we are differentiating partially with respect to z, so the other variables are constant, that is 0, that is I into 0 minus j into then determinant is j into dou by dou x of z minus dou by dou z of x. Here also dou by dou x of z is 0 and dou by dou z of x is 0. Then plus k into dou by dou x into y minus dou by dou y into x. Here also 0, which is equal to vector 0, 0, 0. Next question, yzi plus 3zxj plus zk. Kernel v equal to ijk dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. First component yz, second component 3zx and third component z, which is equal to determinant calculate ചെയ്യുന്നു. I into dou by dou y z minus I dou by dou z 3zx minus j into, removing this column, dou by dou x into z minus dou by dou z into yz. Next plus k into dou by dou x into 3zx minus dou by dou y into yz. Then here in this function y is absent, z is a constant when differentiating partially with respect to y. Then here derivative is 0 minus here derivative of 3zx is 3x, that is minus 3x. Next minus j into partial derivative of z with respect to x. Here also z taken as a constant when differentiating this with respect to x. Therefore this derivative is 0 minus dou by dou x into yz into derivative is y, that is minus y, plus k into derivative of 3zx by gives 3z minus derivative of yz with respect to y gives z, which is equal to minus 3xi plus yj plus 2zk. Next question, vector sin y cos z 0. First component, second component, third component. Kernel v equal to determinant ijk dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. First component sin y, second component cos z, third component 0. Then determinant equal to I into dou by dou y 0 minus dou by dou z cos z minus j into dou by dou x 0 minus dou by dou z sin y plus k into dou by dou x cos z minus dou by dou y sin z. Then dou by dou z cos z, partially differentiating cos z with respect to x gives derivative of cos z is minus sin z into minus 1 is plus sin z I, plus here derivative of 0 is 0 minus dou by dou z of sin y. Here sin y is independent of z, so this is taken as a constant term, so the derivative of sin y with respect to z gives 0, that is 0j minus partial derivative of cos z with respect to x is 0 minus partial derivative of sin y with respect to y gives cos y, that is minus cos y, gives the answer. Next question, half x square y square plus z square into I plus j plus k. Here first component, first we open this bracket, we get first component is half x square plus y square plus z square. Second component is also half x square plus y square plus z square. And third component is half x square plus y square plus z square. Then kernel v equal to ijk dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z x square plus y square plus z square divided by 2 x squared plus y squared plus z squared divided by 2, x squared plus y squared plus z squared divided by 2. Here I into derivative of partial derivative of this with respect to y gives 2y by 2 minus dou by dou y into x square plus y squared plus z squared by 2. Here partial derivative with respect to z, then 2z by z. Similarly all three components, that is y minus z into I minus j into x minus z plus k into x minus y is the answer. Next is properties of curl and gradient. First property, del of norm r equal to r by norm r. Second property, del equal to del square equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Third property, del square of 1 by r equal to 0. Next, curl of gradient f equal to 0. Next is, this is an important property. Next is divergent of kernel f equal to 0. Last, del square r raised to n equal to n into n plus 1 into r raised to n minus 2. Next is line integral. Line integral of a vector function f of r over a curve is defined by integral over c f of r dot dr, which is equal to integral a to b f of r of t into dr by dt into dt. First problem, find the value of the line integral when f of r equals minus y minus xy. This is equals minus yi minus xyj, and c is the circular arc. This is our curve C. This is the circular arc. First, since C is the circular arc, we can choose r of t as cos t sin t, which is equal to cos ti plus sin tj. For any circular curve or circular arc or a circle, we can choose r of t as like this, cos t sin t. Then f of r of t, here x first component is cos t and the second component is sin t. This is x component and this is y component. So f of r of t can be written as f of r. We know that f of r equal to minus r minus xy. So f of r of t equal to minus y. But here y can be replaced by this sin t, and minus xy can be replaced by minus cos t sin t. That is f of r of t equal to minus sin t cos t. Then dr by dt, which is equal to derivative of cos t, that is minus sin t, then derivative of sin t, that is cos t. Therefore line integral over c of f equal to integral. Here limit varies from, here our curve C is the circular arc from this point to this point. So we can choose the limit as 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So integral 0 to pi by 2 f of r of t dot dr by dt, that is dot product of f of r of t dot into dr by dt, that is dot product of these two vectors minus sin t is equal to sin square t, minus sin sin t cos t into cos t, that is minus cos square t into sin t dt, which equals here also upper limit minus lower limit, that is 2 pi by 2 plus sin 2 into 2 pi by 4, that is 0, sin 4 pi is 0, minus 3 cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi is 1, that is minus 3, minus lower limit, that is 0 plus sin 0 minus of minus, that is plus 3 cos 0, cos 0 is 1, that is plus 3, which is equal to, here bracket open, that is minus 3 into minus 2 pi, that is 3 into 2 pi plus 2 pi by 2 is 2 pi by 2 is pi, minus 3 plus 3 is cancelled, that is 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi, is the line integral of the vector f of r equal to zxy. Next question, C1 is the straight line segment r1 of t equal to t tt, where 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1, and f of r equal to 5z xy x square z along the path with initial point a 0 0 0 and the terminal point b 0 0 0. Find the line integral, which is equal to, here the variation, the initial point and terminal point of the straight line segment is 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. So we can take any variation 0 to 1. So a to b is 0 to 1. F of r of t, here r1 of t is t t t, then x equal to t, y equal to t, z equal to t. So f of r of t equal to 5t t square t cube, then 5t t square t cube into r dash of t, that is 1 1 1 1 1 1 into dt, then dot product is the product of the same component, that is 5t into 1 5t plus t square into 1 is t square plus t cube into 1 is t cube, then integral 5t is 5t square by 2 plus integral t square is t cube by 3, integral t cube equal to t raised to 4 by 4 within the limit 0 to 1, which is equal to 5 by 2 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Lower limit is 0, which is equal to 37 by 12. Next question, the parabolic arc C2 is the parabolic arc R2 of t equal to t square, which is ti plus tj plus t square k. Variation of t is 0 to 1. F equal to 5z xy x square z. A equal to 0 0 0 and b equal to 1 1 1. It is the initial point and b is the terminal point of the curve R2. Then line integral is equal to integral a to b f of r of t dr by dt into dt. Here dr by dt equal to 1 1 2t. From this x of t equal to y t, y of t t and z of t t square. So line integral is, here the terminal point 1 1 1 and initial point is 0, so we can take the variation by 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 f of r of t is 5t square 5t t square t cube, 5t t square t cube. Sorry, t raised to 4 into r of t is 1 1 2t. Then dot product 5t square plus t square plus t raised to 4 into 2t is 2t raised to 5. Then which is equal to this 5t square plus t square is 6t square plus 2t raised to 5. The integral is 6 t cube by 3 plus 2 t raised to 6 by 6, that is 2, 6 by 3 is 2, and this is 1 by 3, that is then by applying the limit we get 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 7 by 3.